हेलो पिला माने मु तुम समस्त को स्वागत करुच्ची होम ट्यूशन को। आज आम आलोचना करिबा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस संपर्क रे। The auxiliary verb of present perfect progressive tense is have been and has been. So auxiliary verb, or that is also known as helping verb. And what is the form of the verb is used in present perfect progressive tense? So that is V1 plus ing form is used in present perfect progressive tense. So now let us know what is the usual structure of present perfect progressive tense. So here usual structure. Okay, so usual structure is, so what is the usual structure? Subject, then have been or has been, then V1 plus ing form of the verb. Okay, so this is the usual structure of present perfect progressive tense. Have been is used with I, we, you, they, or any plural noun. Okay, so this is have been is used for I, we, you, they, or any plural noun. Has been is used for he, she, it, name, or any singular noun. Okay, so has been is used for third person singular number, he, she, it, name, or any singular noun. I have been living here since 1997. 1997 ରୁ ମୁଁ ଏଠାରେ ରହୁଛି। 1997 ରୁ ମୁଁ ଏଠାରେ ରହୁଛି। I have been living here since 1997. She has been sleeping for 2 hours. Okay, she has been sleeping for 2 hours. से 2 घंटा धरी सोईछंती और सोईछी। They have been playing since morning. ସେମାନେ ସକାଳ ପହରରୁ ଖେଳୁଛନ୍ତି। They have been playing since morning. ତ ପିଲାମାନେ ଏଠାରେ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ କରିପାରୁଥିବ, in the first sentence I have been living here since 1997. So here since is used. Similarly, in the second sentence, she has been sleeping for 2 hours. So here for is used. And in third sentence, there also you can find since is used. तो पिला माने since रो व्यवहार केउंठारे होइथाय? Point of time. When there is mention of point of time. For example, morning, evening. So these are point of time. समयर बिंदु छोट समय को जेते बेले सूचौ थाय समय बिंदु जेमिति मॉर्निंग एवं इवनिंग। से भली भाव में फोर रो व्यवहार केउंठारे होइता है? दिस इज यूज्ड फॉर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम। समयर अवधि समयर अवधि so it is used for years, months, hours, etc. Okay, so since is used for point of time, samaya bindu, ebang for is used for period of time, that is samayar abadhi. It is used for years, months, hours. For example, I have been reading since morning. So here since is used. I have been reading since morning. Seibhali, I have been reading for 5 hours. 5 घंटा एठारे समय अवधि गला 5 hours. So that is period of time. But since morning जतले कहा जाउची मॉर्निंग रु मु पढुची सेतबेले आमे सिंस रो व्यवहार करिथाउ. I have been reading since morning. I have been reading for 5 hours. So सेठारे for रो व्यवहार हेउची कारण ताहा पीरियड ऑफ टाइम को सुचाई थाई. एबे पिला माने देखिबा प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव आमे केउ केउ क्षेत्र रे व्यवहार करिथाउ. So the present perfect progressive tense is used to denote an action which began sometime in the past, and is still continuing. So the present perfect progressive tense is used to denote an action which began sometime in the past. Okay, so that started in the past and that is not finished, that is not stopped so far, or that is in continuation, that is continuing, still that is in continuation. So in that case we use present perfect progressive tense. अर्थात पिला माने जेउ कार्यटी अतीत रे आरंभ होइतिला एवं वर्तमान मध्ये जारी रहिछि. अर्थात जेउ कार्यटी अतीत रे आरंभ होइथिला, that started in the past एवं वर्तमान मध्य जारी रहिछि, एवं वर्तमान मध्य जारी रहिछि. जेउ कार्यटी अतीत रे आरंभ होइथिला एवं वर्तमान मध्य जारी रहिछि सेही सब से वाक्य गुडी को आमे इंग्राजी रे प्रकाश करिया पई प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस व्यवहार करिथाउ. जेमिति कि पिला माने I have been living here since 1997 जो आमे उदाहरण नैथिले. She has been sleeping for 2 hours. So to denote an action which began sometime in the past and is still continuing. जेउ कार्यटी अतीत रे आरंभ होइथिला एवं वर्तमान मध्य जारी रहिछि. अतीत रे आरंभ होइथिबो एवं वर्तमान मध्य ताहा चालू रहिथिबो. तेबे सेही सब वाक्य को आमे इंग्राजी रे प्रकाश करिया पई प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस रो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस रो व्यवहार करिथाउ. को टेंस पिला माने प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव. जेउ कार्यटी अतीत रे आरंभ होइथिला एवं वर्तमान सुधा ताहा संपूर्ण होई नाही, एबे सुधा ताहा चालू रहिछि, जारी रहिछि. तेनु ताकू आमे प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट प्रोग्रेसिव टेंस रे प्रकाश करिथाउ. मु एठारे किछि उदाहरण नउछि. He has been playing for 2 hours. She has been studying since 2 o'clock. I have been playing chess for 3 hours. They have been building this house for 6 months. I have been living here since 1997. We have been watching TV since morning. He has been sleeping for 2 hours. So these are the different examples of present perfect progressive tense where we use for and since, because for is used for period of time when there is mention of period of time. Okay, something is going on for a long time. So in that particular case we use for, and in case of point of time we use since. तो पिलामाने एबे देखिबा what is the difference between present progressive, what is the difference between present progressive tense and present perfect progressive tense. So here I have taken two sentences. I am playing. So this is present progressive tense, and I have been playing for 2 hours. So you see in the first case where we have used present progressive tense, there is no reference of time. So here there is no reference of time. But in the second case, second sentence, there is a reference of time. So what is the reference of time? For 2 hours. So when there is no reference of time and that started in the present, we use present progressive tense. But when there is a reference of time, we use present perfect progressive tense. So this is the difference between present progressive tense and present perfect progressive tense. So पिलामाने यह थिला present perfect progressive tense संपर्क रे. तो पिलामाने जदि वीडियोटी भलो लागि थाई तबे निहाती भाबरे शेयर, सब्सक्राइब एवं कमेंट करिवो. एथि सहित रहुची. नमस्कार, धन्यवाद.